Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, November 16th, 2022. Please stand to join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather is a high of 54, a low of 32, cloudy, and a 4% chance of rain. Today's breakfast is a ham and cheese croissant. Today's lunch is chicken bites, Dutch waffles, yam patties, and a garden salad. Important dates. Today is the PACE field trip. November 17th, tutoring ends. November 18th is Feel Good Friday and Kona Ice. November 21st through the 25th is Thanksgiving break. No school. November 28th is the faculty meeting. December 6th is the school spelling bee. December 13th is Winter Wonderland. December 15th is class Christmas parties. December 16th is the last day of second quarter. December 19th through January 2nd is Christmas break. Today's birthdays is Julia Crenshaw in Miss Shepherd's class. Happy birthday, Julia. We are still doing questions of the day, and your question can be submitted into the question box in the library. Your question could be chosen for the morning announcements, and you will have your question answered by our research team. Today's question of the day is, what is a turtle shell made of? Cohen found the answer. These are made of keratin, like your hair and nails. Who would knew you had so much in common with our reptilian neighbors? And that's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.